Hello, this video is to show our customers how to log into the brand new 1BellTV Max app. Okay, so once you have downloaded the app, it's going to bring you to this page asking you for device option. Okay, I will always pick TV. No matter what type of device I'm using, I would just go ahead and click TV. So as you see, I got TV selected and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. All right, once I save, it's going to bring you to these three blocks. All right, the first one is any name, then you have username and password. All right, any name, you can put whatever you want under any name. But my suggestion is to put live TV. So that's what I'm going to put in there. And I'll show you why that may matter to you in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in live TV. Once again, you can put whatever you want there. Right. And then once I get in live TV, I'll go ahead and I'll click next. And then it's going to ask me for my username. Now, your username is provided through us by email. All right. So once you log into this service, we'll be sending you an email welcoming you to 1BellTV. And it's going to have your username and password for your live TV account and your video on demand account. All right, so once again, we're starting with live TV. All right, and the username for this video is going to be test2. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Now, normally your username is going to be all lowercase. All right, it may involve numbers, it may not, but it will be all lowercase. All right, so I'm going to put in test2 and I'll go ahead and click next. And then it's going to ask me for my password. Now, in most cases, your password for your live TV is going to be all numbers. All right, I'll say that again. Your password for your live TV is going to be all numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and put those numbers in. And I'll go ahead and I'll click next. All right, that's going to bring you back to this page. Now, if you choose to, you can go ahead and click this icon next to your password, and that's going to make your password visible. So you can go ahead and give it another check before you click add user. All right, so once you make sure you got in the right information, you're going to go ahead and click add user. And if your information is correct, it's going to tell you that the user was added successfully, and it's going to bring you to this home page. All right, once you get on this home page, once again, okay, this is my live TV account. So I'm not really worried about movies or TV series just like the old app. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on live TV, and I'm going to let it start downloading the live TV information. All right, I'm not going to click on movies. I'm not going to click on series because there's nothing there. All right, now once it has successfully done your live TV, it's going to let you know last updated 1 second ago. All right, and you're good. Now, the next step is going to be to add your VOD. So I'm going to go to this icon in the upper right. Okay, looks like two faces with arrows between them that says switch user. All right, the very top right icon. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And that's going to bring me to this account page. All right, or list of users. Now you see it's already created my live TV account and it says live TV. So now I know anytime I'm trying to watch a pay-per-view, a football game or whatever, this is the account that I need to be logged in on. Okay, so now I'm going to add my VOD to my app. So I'm going to go to the upper right again where it says add user, and I'm going to click that. Okay, and it's going to bring me back to that login page. Okay, but this time I am going to put in my information for my VOD. Okay, we no longer have the Star Max app. All right, it's all under 1BellTV Max. Okay, so when I talk about anything Star Max, I'm not going to say Star Max anymore. I'm going to say VOD, which stands for Video on Demand. All right, so once again, my first block is any name. I'm going to open that up. You can put whatever you want here, but I am going to put VOD. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put VOD under any name. And I'm going to click next. All right, and it's asking me for my username. All right. Normally, your username for both accounts will be the same. So for this, it's going to also be test2. Again, lowercase. Test2, and then I'll click next. Now, it's asking me for the password. Okay, your password for your live TV and your password for your VOD are two different passwords. Understand that. Only the username will be the same. All right, so I'm going to start putting in my password. Okay, and also understand that your password for your VOD will not be all numbers. It'll be a combination of letters, numbers, and it's also case sensitive. So you have to make sure everything that needs to be capital is capital and everything that needs to be lowercase is lowercase, or it will not let you in, just like anything else that's password protected. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish putting in my password. All right, and then I'll click next. Same thing, you got the icon right to the right of the password. You can click that so that you can double check and make sure you put that password in the correct way. All right, and once you've done that, you just click add user. Okay, again, if you did it successfully, it's going to take you to the home page. Now, we are on VOD. Okay, so I'm going to show you down in the bottom. Okay, if you can see that, it says logged in VOD. So that's why that any name is important. Okay, so now on VOD, we're going to go ahead and we're going to download all blocks. So I'm going to start with my live TV and I'll let that download. All right, I can go ahead and do movies and I'll let that download. And then once that's done downloading, of course, then I can go ahead and do series. All right, movies takes a little bit longer, so we'll give it a second. All right, and then I'll go ahead and do series. Okay, now we have both of our accounts, our live TV account and our VOD account, all under one app. Okay, so all I need to do now is if I want to switch from VOD to live TV, I just go back to switch users. It's going to pull up both accounts that I have logged in here. All right, so now I just go back to live TV and there you go. All right, so if I want to go from live TV to watch a movie, I switch users again and then I just go back to VOD and it loads it right back in, just like that. All right, so this is how you log into the 1BellTV Max app with both your 1BellTV account and your VOD account. Thank you.